Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're making cheeseburger stromboli. It's packed with all the flavors of the classic cheeseburger, seasoned beef, melted cheese, and savory toppings, wrapped inside a warm golden bread. Perfect for game day, parties, or a fun family dinner. This stuffed bread recipe is easy to make and guaranteed to disappear fast. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make the cheeseburger Stromboli step by step using simple ingredients and straightforward techniques. We're going to dice up a half a cup of yellow onion, shred 1 cup of cheddar cheese, shred 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. We're going to chop up a half a cup of dill pickles. So we're going to heat up a skillet over medium heat. And we're going to add our ground beef and our diced onions. We're going to cook our beef until browned and fully cooked, breaking it up as we go. And we're going to drain our excess grease. Then we're going to season it up with garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. We're going to remove that from the heat and let it cool slightly. We're going to preheat our oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. We're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. We're going to roll out our pizza dough into a large rectangle about 12 by 16 inches on a lightly floured surface. You can use store-bought pizza dough, or I'll leave a link down below to a homemade pizza dough that you can whip up yourself. Now we're going to spread our cooked beef evenly over the dough, leaving about a 1-inch border around the outside. Now we're going to sprinkle the cheddar and mozzarella cheese over the beef. And then scatter the pickles evenly. And then we're going to drizzle the ketchup and mustard across the filling. And starting from the long edge, we're going to roll the dough tightly into a log. And we're going to pinch the seam to seal and tuck the ends underneath. We're going to place it seam side down on our prepared baking sheet. Now we're going to beat up 1 egg in a small bowl. Then brush the entire stromboli with that egg wash. And then sprinkle that with sesame seeds. Then we're going to place that in our preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. And we're going to remove that from the oven. Then we're going to let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. We're going to cut it into thick slices and serve it warm. So there you go, cheeseburger stromboli. Serve that up with some mustard and ketchup dipping sauce. Enjoy. As you've already probably figured out, you can put almost anything in this stromboli. You can make bacon cheeseburger, classic cheeseburger, mushroom Swiss burger, jalapeno popper burger, chicken cheeseburger, buffalo chicken, pizza burger, taco burger, garlic burger, triple cheese, Philly cheesesteak, cheeseburger dog, barbecue bacon burger, mac and cheese burger, breakfast burger, veggie burger. Whew, the list is endless. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.